So I hope everyone had a great holiday weekend. Now as we move back into our work week, we have to keep an eye on the tropics. So I will keep an eye on Tropical Storm Elsa as it makes its way towards the West Florida coast. It will eventually bring us impacts here in South Carolina going into Wednesday evening and sticking around through Thursday morning, potentially even into Thursday afternoon if you are in the PD. I'll continue to bring you the latest information on that as we get closer, but then those showers and thunderstorms from daytime heating will stay in our forecast after Elsa passes. Now let's take a current look at Elsa. It's a very unorganized tropical storm, but it is a tropical storm because it does have all those tropical characteristics and the tropical storm force winds. It's even hard to tell where the center of low pressure is, but that center of low pressure is right here, just to the northwest of Jamaica. Now the current information, it does also have a relatively high pressure at about 1,004 millibars, but like I said, it does have those tropical storm force winds at 65 miles per hour, and it is moving to the northwest at 15 miles per hour. So let's take a current look at the advisories. As of 11 p.m., we do have a hurricane warning in effect for part of Cuba, just because it is possible that we see some of those hurricane-force gusts. And we also have a hurricane watch along the eye wall where it is right now, just because we can see some of those hurricane-force gusts once again. But otherwise, you do have some tropical storm warnings out, and even tropical storm warnings in the Florida Keys. But otherwise, we have those tropical storm watches out, and that it stands through Tampa. So where's this going to go? Where are these forecast models saying that it's going to go? So we are in agreement that it's going to move through western Cuba. After that, is it going to make landfall in southern Florida? Is it going to make landfall in northwestern Florida? Or is it going to make landfall along the Florida Panhandle? The National Hurricane Center says it is going to make landfall about 8 a.m. on Wednesday in northwestern Florida near the Panhandle. Now, since it is staying over water for so long, it will have the potential to re-strengthen to maybe 65 to 70 miles per hour. So we are flirting with hurricane strength here. I'm not expecting it to develop into a hurricane. However, a very high tropical storm will be right here. Then as it rides along the coast, it will maintain that tropical storm force strength just because it's so close to the Atlantic Ocean and it's riding so tightly along the eastern coast. So we will be dealing with about 45 to 50 mile per hour winds in the Lowcountry and PeeDee. Then as it pushes off the North Carolina coast, it will move up along the New England region, but once it meets those cooler waters, it should become a post-tropical storm. So what are the models saying? The models are keeping this at a tropical storm. Some of the models dip it down to a depression. I'm not really expecting that just because it will be so close to the Atlantic Ocean. It will have some of that ocean fuel on the right front quadrant. Now, some of these models actually do take it up to hurricane strength, but once again, it's very unlikely. I'm not expecting a hurricane at all. So most of these models are staying at a high tropical storm, then dipping down to a lower grade tropical storm as it interacts with the land, which is the most likely scenario. So let's take a current look at the GFS model. So once again, moving through Cuba right here and then making its way towards the Florida Keys. Still not very organized. However, it will gain some strength before it reaches the Florida Keys because we do have some ocean water in between. And as it rides up the west coast of Florida, it will maintain its strength and then push through Florida right up along our coast and then make its way out along the Outer Banks. So let's take a look at our forecast. So 91 degrees tomorrow, no rain in our forecast. Then those afternoon heating showers and thunderstorms do return for Tuesday, about 92 degrees. And then Elsa does move in, bring some moisture. Not really an alert day for the upstate. About 35% chance of rain. It will bring some gusty winds, about 20 to 25 miles per hour. But the greater chance of rain will be on Thursday at about 50% chance of rain from Elsa. And then Friday dips back down to about 35 to 40%. Then your weekend does have some rain, about 60% chance for both days. And then a 30% chance of those afternoon showers and storms going through the first part of your next week. The Midlands, 93 degrees for Monday and Tuesday. Afternoon heating showers and thunderstorms on Tuesday. Then we are watching Elsa. It depends on how much rain actually comes from Elsa. So I do have that yellow alert for Wednesday and Thursday, which is that medium alert. So 60% chance of rain for Thursday morning and Thursday afternoon. Then 50% chance for Friday. 40 for Saturday, 60 for Sunday. Then those afternoon heating showers and thunderstorms with about a 30% chance through the first part of your next week. We will generally be staying in the 90s, but we will be topping out at about 89 degrees, just shy of 90 on Wednesday and Thursday. Now, I do have that medium alert day on Wednesday and that high alert day on Thursday morning and Thursday afternoon, because that's when those tropical storm force winds will begin to move into the PeeDee. So 93 degrees inland, 90 along the coast tomorrow, afternoon heating showers and thunderstorms on Tuesday. Then we'll be staying at about 90 degrees inland, 88 along the coast, and 88 both on Thursday. Then we will be staying in the 90s through your weekend and the first part of next week. Few showers and thunderstorms, scattered showers on Friday and Saturday. Then Sunday, we have a higher chance of rain, about 60% chance, than those afternoon heating showers and thunderstorms on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Now, your low country, once again, we do have that chance for those tropical storm force winds to be moving in Wednesday evening around dinner time. So I did say tropical storm force conditions gradually moving in, but I'm expecting it to peak around Thursday morning around 1 or 2 a.m. and then sticking around through Thursday morning and Thursday afternoon around lunchtime. It should be pushed out. So 92 inland, 88 along the coast on Monday. Then we'll be staying in the 80s through Thursday, then back up into the 90s for your weekend. 40% chance of rain through your weekend, then 30% chance to start your next week. So keep it at my Facebook for all the latest tropical information, and I will be posting about 2 to 3 times per day on the tropics.